In problem number 5, we're given an algebraic equation, a relationship between the hourly earnings, which is the variable E, with the number of years after 1995, which is the variable T. In part A, we want to solve this formula for T. So express this in terms of T. So we want T equals everything else. We want T by itself. So we can move the 11.94 to the other side, minus 11.94 from both sides. On the right they'll cancel, so on the left hand side we have E minus 11.94. Those are not like terms, so we can't put them together, is equal to 0.49 T. So we have a times 0.49. We could get rid of that with a divide by 0.49. And on the left hand side, this is probably the best way to express the expression. So we'll have T is equal to E minus 11.94 all divided by 0.49. So that's the relationship between E and T in terms of the variable T. As soon as you have T by itself, you're done. For part B, for what years will the approximate average hourly earnings be at least $15? So we have what's called a quantifier here, the at least. So at least means 15 or more than 15. So the symbol for 15 or more, equal to or more, greater than or equal to. So what we have here is the hourly earnings, that's E, be at least, that's greater than or equal to, the number 15. So that's what we want to solve. Now we have an expression for E that was given in the problem. So E is equal to 0.49T plus 11.94. That means wherever there's an E, we could swap it out for 0.49T plus 11.94. The question is, for what years? So we're looking for time. We want T by itself. So we could, in this inequality, we could replace the E with 0.49 T plus 11.94. So we want the earnings to be at least 15. Earnings is the variable E, and E, in this step, E could be replaced with 0.49 T plus 11.94. Now at this point, we want to solve the inequality for T, isolate the T. So we can subtract 11.94 from both sides. So we'll have 0.49 T is greater than or equal to 6.24. Sorry, I'm one step ahead. .06. We want T by itself, so we can divide both sides by 0.49. On the left-hand side, the 0.49's cancel. So we have T is greater than or equal to 6.24. And now, what does T represent? T is the number of years after 1995. So 6 years after 1995 would be the year 2001. So remember, T is the years after 1995. So if T was 6, that would put you at 2001. Since T is a little bit more than 6.25 years, we have to bump it up to the year 2002 because at the beginning of 2001, earnings have not yet climbed to $15. Might be $14 in some sense. So for the earnings to be at least 15, we'll have to say for the year 2002 and anywhere after 2002. So for 2002 or after. That'll do it for part B.